In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free credits, gems, and star points in Brawl Stars. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started with the video, the first thing that you will need to do to be able to get free credits, gems, and star points on the platform is to make sure that you sign in on the daily sign-in of Brawl Stars. That will pop up on your screen once you open the app on your device for the first time during the day. And the second method for you to earn more of these rewards is by earning more trophies. So under the trophy role, you'll be able to find various rewards that you can get along the way. Once you earn more trophies on the platform, you'll be able to do that by playing more on Brawl Stars. You can also visit the quest section to be able to check your daily quests and season quests that will allow you to earn more XP from your battles. Earning more XP on your battles will allow you to redeem more rewards on the rewards section. So as you can see in here, if you want more of this reward, you can go ahead and avail the Brawl Pass. And the last method for you to get free rewards on the platform is by heading back to your homepage and heading over to the shop section. So as you can see under the shop section, you'll be able to find this free tag. So this means that you can get the daily freebies along with the other free things that you can get on the platform for free. So once we head over to the offer section and swipe right, you'll be able to find this rewards that you can also redeem on the platform. So this other reward is a seasonal reward for the Halloween special of Brawl Stars. So as you can see in here, it's highly important to sign in daily on the platform to be able to get more free rewards on the platform. And that is how you can simply get more free credits, gems, and star points on Brawl Stars.